Hi, I am glad to show you this third new feature which I recently added. It's about Litecoin payment method, so now I'm going shortly to show you how it's working. At the beginning on each month, you see similar yellow notification on the top of the main page stating that monthly fee is pending. Payment could be done by opening from admin panel the payment page and paying with Litecoins. Here is. Amount of LTC which you need to send. This amount will be calculated by current price got from Binance Exchange in euro. Here is, and the monthly fee which for example is 60 euro now. For the demonstration, I got from Blockchain Explorer some LTC address which recently received some Litecoins. This one. And here is the transaction which was received and we are going to process. Unfortunately, it's less the LTC needed to cover the monthly fee in our case. So after this transaction is completed, when the sixth confirmation is received, then remaining part of the monthly fee will be requested to be paid again. Here is we are expecting this amount and we are receiving this amount. When a payment transaction is detected, as already happened, QR code and LTC address will be hidden until the transaction is completed. As we already mentioned that a partly payment is sent, therefore QR code and LTC address will reappear again asking for remaining part of the monthly fee to be paid when current transaction is processed. So we will see this a little bit later. Once a payment is fully paid, then only both tables will be visible until next month when new monthly fee will be requested again. What we are seeing now, only two tables, and here is the first transaction is already processed. The difference which is missing think is this amount. So it will be requested to be paid again in order this monthly fee to be marked as completed and paid and fully paid. The price offer which each moment will reappear is valid only for 5 minutes, so you need to send requested LTC in this 5 minutes period. Also you can request a new price offer valid for 5 minutes again by clicking this button, request new offer. For example, in this time you need to send this amount of LTC, but for example there is less than 1 minute or something like that, and you are not able to send so quickly the amount of LTC, then you can click the button and you get a new 5 times periods and new price and new offer entirely. Um, if a transaction is sent once it enters to a mempool, which means it's still zero confirmations, which happens immediately when you send the transaction, then the price offer will be locked. So the QR code and OTC address will be hidden, and then as current payment needs to be processed, which we already saw at the beginning. as this is only demonstration. We are not expecting a second transaction to come, so this second transaction will not be paid now. And shortly to mention about the two tables. The first table is showing the payment history. Here is the details for the payment. And the second table is about the blockchain itself, showing and reading only information from the blockchain. And also there is a hyperlink to the transaction ID, which you can open the blockchain explorer and get more details for specific transaction if you need to review some details. And this is all. Bye.